For this video, I will show you how to use ClickUp for project management. First, go to your spaces on the left side, then click on Create Space. Here you can create a space for your project. Just type in a name for it. You can also add a description if you want. And you can make it private or not. And continue. Now you can choose project management and create your space. Now you can add in a new task by going to list on the upper ribbon. Then under the to-do list, you can add a task like make a video. You can add another. Then for the assignee, you can assign a member that needs to do that task. Then you can also add a due date for better organization and set a priority for that task. You can also add or create another field like what I'm doing. For here, I will create a drop-down. I will just type in a drop-down option and create. Now you'll see here if I click on in progress, I can choose the options that I created earlier. You can change its name. Now you can view your task on different views by clicking on them on the upper ribbon like on board. Here you can drag your task depending on the sections that you have like planning, in progress, at work, and such. Through this, you will have better management for your task as you can see their progress easily. You can also change the sections according to your liking by clicking on the three dots beside the section's name. Select on Use Custom Statuses. Here you can customize your sections. You can either delete one or rename one, or you can also add a status, just like what I'm doing. Once done, click on Apply Changes. Here you can see the sections that you added or changed. Then you can now drag your task. You can also go to Teams, but this is on premium type of account, or you can go to Calendar, where you can see the task that you created under the day that they are due, as well as for Gantt. You can add in a new view by clicking on View and choose one according to your liking. Now, if you go back to your board, you can add an automation so that if a task is finished, they can be added to a specific section. Do that by adding in automation. For the first field, I will change it to status changes from not started to active and confirm. Now for the second field, I will choose again change status, and for the status, I will choose on complete. Once done, just click on create. Now if you mark your task as nearly complete or anything under the status that you chose for the first field, it will automatically go to the status that you chose for the second field. Here it will allow you for better management of your task. And that's all for this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.